Hi guys, for today's video we're going to be doing another video. I'm going to be doing another video for the Master Beginner Makeup series here on my YouTube channel. Today we are going to be talking all about skin prep before makeup. So I've already washed my face. Now I'm just gonna go I washed my face earlier this morning, so I'm ready to start kind of prepping the skin. So I'm gonna start cleansing the skin. So my skin is kind of oily, and then I do have I have acne prone skin as well. So I'm gonna first start with cleansing. Like I said, I'm gonna use the Clinique Take the Day Off Cleansing Balm. I'm gonna use I could use this one. This is a really nice one. I like to use balms for when I want to cleanse the skin before makeup, or a micellar water. This one is from Jafra. This is the Jafra Royal Jelly Boost Micellar Cleansing Water. I'm actually going to use this one today rather than the cleansing balm. So I don't have a cotton pads, but I'm going to do a cotton ball instead. I have very little bit of this, so I hope that it's going to work. So I'm going to kind of saturate the cotton ball really quick. I'm just going to start kind of cleansing the skin with this. And I want to get the lids as well, and under the eyes, down the neck a little bit. Okay, after cleansing, I'm going to use a toner. I'm going to use the ITK Tri-Acid Toner, or another really great toner that I absolutely love is the Ordinary Glycolic Acid Toning Solution. I'm going to use this one today because I haven't used it in a while. I mean, I do really like this one, but I normally use this one. I use this one in the summer. So I'm going to use another cotton ball to apply this. Before I go in with a moisturizer, I'm going to actually go in with an eye cream just so I can have my under eye prepped as well. So this is almost out, but this is one of my favorite eye creams. This is the ITK Day Plus Night eye cream, and I'm going to use the nighttime one because I'm out of the daytime one. So I'm just going to apply this underneath the eyes, the lids as well. I did forget to get a primer, so I'll use it. Favorite moisturizer to use is the ITK Prebiotic Gel Moisturizer. I'm going to take a small amount of this on a brush and just start applying this. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is, you can't forget to kind of hydrate the lips. So I'm going to use the Lineage Lip Sleeping Mask. This one is in Berry. I love this one. This one's my favorite. I'm just going to apply this with a little applicator that it comes with. For sunscreen, I love to use this one, but I'm actually, this is a new product that I got. This is the Neutrogena Purescreen Mineral UV tinted sunscreen. This one is in light, but I'm actually going to be using a different sunscreen today because for the purpose of this video. I'm going to use this one today. This is the ITK serum sunscreen. I'm going to use a brush to apply it, and I'm going to kind of put it on the brush first before I go in and apply it to the face. This one's a great sunscreen. I just haven't, for the tinted sunscreen, I don't know if I should like put it on before primer or after primer. I don't know. that is applied, we can go right into face primer. I'm actually going to use my fingers for this. Normally I use a brush, but I'm going to use my fingers. So I use two face primers. This one is one of my favorites. This is the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer, and I only use this one in the T-zone, and then another one I use everywhere else. So I'm going to take this one first. And like I said, this is going to go in the T-zone only. Okay. Next, I want a kind of this like a pore minimizing type primer, I think. Yeah. And then I want more of a kind of gripping type primer for everywhere else. So I'm going to use the e.l.f. Power Grip Primer. This is one of my favorite ones, especially for like an everyday, a special occasion makeup. So I'm just going to apply this where we didn't apply the other e.l.f. primer. Okay, now our skin is ready and prepped for makeup. I hope you all enjoyed today's video and see you guys in the next one. Bye!